Good evening to everyone present here. As you know, we are gathered here for the electrocution competition. The topics for today are Save Water and the story of your favorite book or a TV show or a movie that you have seen. I would like to wish all the best to all the participants, and now I would like to invite the judges for today. Miss Janvi ma'am, Miss Swapna ma'am and Miss Devi ma'am. Janvi ma'am, Swapna ma'am and Devi ma'am. Once again, all the best to all the contestants who are participating today. The first contestant of today is Sarayu from RAMC section.
Good evening everyone. My name is Asa Sarayu Reddy. I am from 7th grade. Today I am here to talk about something that we can do togetherly. That is that to save water. Yes, life without water is not possible. We need it for everything, including cleaning, cooking, more and more. Moreover, we need clean water to lead a healthy life. We can take steps to conserve water in national level and individual level. Firstly, our governments should implement efficient strategies to conserve water, and the scientific community must work on advanced agriculture to save water. Scientific community must work on advanced agriculture to save water, and similarly the proper planning of cities and promotion of water conservation through advertisement should be done. And we should also not use the electricity too much, and we should plant trees and plants. Rainwater harvesting is made compulsory so that we can make benefit from the rain as well. Further, we can also save water by turning off the taps while brushing or washing the utensils. We can use a washing machine when it is full loaded. Do not waste water for cleaning vegetables and fruits. Instead, use it to water plants. Since water is a precious gift of nature, we should not waste it. Always be careful that the water tank of your house should not overflow when it is being filled. As a student, we should examine the toilets for leaks, and we should no longer use the toilets as a waste bucket and take fewer showers. All in all, we should identify the water scarcity as a real issue, as it is very dangerous. Further identifying it, we should take steps to conserve water. There are many things that we can do in national level and individual level. We all together can save water. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Sarayu, for that insightful speech. Now I'd like to call upon Rohit from RAMC section.
Hello everybody, my name is Rohit Reddy from 7th class. Today I am going to talk about my favorite show in my childhood. My favorite childhood show is Augie and Cockroaches. It is my favorite cartoon since my childhood is Augie and Cockroaches. It entertains me so much. There are 4 characters in Augie and Cockroaches. Augie, Jack, Bob and 3 cockroaches. Augie is the main character in the cartoon. Always Augie is hesitated by the cockroaches, which Augie gets angry and would beat the cockroaches. And it would run back of the cockroaches, and cockroaches would run faster than the Augie. Jack is found rare in this cartoon. Jack also has been hesitated by cockroaches. Cockroaches are very funny in this cartoon, and cockroaches are very angry because of Augie. Augie would make some dishes like very tasty. Cockroaches would steal them and eat. In the fridge, the Augie would find no food for Augie and Jack. Cockroaches would eat all of it. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity to share my show of Augie.
Thank you, Rohit. I'm sorry I don't watch cartoons, but now I came to know there is a cartoon with cockroaches as characters. I really liked it when he was saying, and I feel curious to watch the serial also, how they have portrayed the cockroaches. So this is how we will get more or new knowledge when you listen. Okay, so very good, wonderful. Your favorite story, cartoon, novel, anything, we are going to learn from your experiences. The next candidate or next participant is?
Now I'd like to call upon Vaishnavi from Jhansi section.
Good morning to respected Ramu sir, teachers, parents and my all dear friends. Today my name is Vaishnavi and I am from 5th grade Jhansi section. Today I am going to tell about importance of water. Water is essential for all living beings because it's not unlimited resource. Many people around the world don't have access of clean water. So this makes for us water very important, and we should use water wisely and do not waste it up. We use water for our daily uses like drinking, cooking, cleaning, etc. However, without recognizing, we waste lot of water. Example, leaving a running tap when we are brushing our teeth, and while we are washing the clothes, we keep a running tap when we are washing the clothes, and taking long showers may waste lot of water. So this wastes lot of water and no water would be left for our future. So we need to be more mindful when we are wasting water. Some ways to save water are turning off the tap when we are brushing our teeth, and using buckets to wash cars and water the plants, taking shorter showers, and storing the rainwater to watering the plants. And we need to save water for our future, and we need to be saving the water mindfully, and every drop counts on us. So if we all join together, we can make a big difference upon us. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Next is Vidiknya from Jhansi section.
Good evening, respected Ramu sir and my dear friends. Today I am telling about save water. Water is one of the most precious resources on our planet. Every living thing depends on water to survive. We use it every day for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and growing crops. However, there is no clean. Some people have to walk long distance to get it, like Rajasthan people. Leaving the running taps while brushing and taking longer shower can waste a lot of water. Turning off taps while brushing and taking shorter showers and taking bucket of water to clean cars will save water, and you can protect your environment. Thank you.
Good job, Vitiknya. I really appreciate you trying to remember the speech to deliver something here. Next is Shivani from Jhansi section.
Good evening to everyone. Good evening to respected Ramu sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am going to tell about my favorite cartoon, which is Shin Chan. We have a little boy in Shin Chan. We have a little boy named Shin Chan. Shin Chan's sister name is Himawari. His brother, his dog name is Shiro. His mother name is Mitzi. His father name is Hiroshima. His friends name are Kazama, Neni, Bochan, Masao. One day, I am going to tell us story of Shinchan. One day, Shinchan and his dog Shiro walking in park. Suddenly, they saw an old man with his dog named also Shiro. Shiro. Second day, they saw to look day to day. Second day, Shiro, Shinchan dog and the old man's dog became friends. Daily, Shinchan and the old man together go to park. Suddenly, Shinchan father get a transfer for 5 months another city. Shinchan and his family with Shiro went 5 months to another city. After their coming home, Shinchan and his dog Shiro went to see the old man and his dog Shiro to their house. Old man Shiro was sounding to ask the help of others. Shinchan and his dog Shiro was seeing about that. The neighbors told them. One day the old man went out. Suddenly it was rain. That too, he didn't came before that day. The Shinchan takes the old man dog to 2 months and take the Shiro of old man's, and they lived happily. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Thank you, Shivani, for refreshing our memories and washing us over with nostalgia. Now I would like to call upon Shashwat Kumar from Cheetah section.
White.
Good evening, my dear friends and respected Ramusa. I am Shashwat from Cheetah section. Today I want to tell the importance of wastewater. So many people are dying from hydration, so we do not waste water. I will tell you the few points of do not waste water. First point,
Shashwat, is this the first time for you to come and speak? Okay, but you have come. Next time, better luck. Okay, don't be nervous. You know, if you just turn on the tap, the water will flow. If you don't turn off the tap, what happens? Water wasted. All these things you can remember and tell, no? You can tell even on your own also. Do you recollect or remember anything? Do you recollect or remember any points? Do you want to say? Okay. So better luck next time, Shashwat. Next time compulsorily you should come and say again. Okay, good luck.
Thank you, Shashwat. Next is Sumant from Cheetah section. Sumant.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Ramu sir and teachers, my dear friends. I am from. My name is Sumantri Nagasoria. I am studying 5th grade in Cheetah section. Today my topic is save water. We can't imagine life without water. More we can use households, agricultural, industrial recreation. Environment. Can it also use it for environment purpose? 70% water covered by earth surface, 1% fresh water only available for drinking. Don't let your tap water run when brushing, while talking, shower, cleaning clothes and cleaning floors. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Suman. Now I would like to call upon Pawan Tej from Prithvi section.
Namaste everyone, my name is Pawan Tej Reddy. Today I am going to tell about a story. I am from Prithvi section. Today I am going to tell about a story which a holy priest recited. The name of the story is Karma. Once upon a time there lived a Brahman in a village. One day he was wandering in the village and then he saw to know what was happening. Then he saw a man with a knife. Then he understood that the man was coming to kill the cow. Then he felt sorry for the cow. Then the man asked the Brahman, where did the cow go? The Brahman could not tell the truth because if he tells the truth, the man will kill the cow. But as he is a Brahman, he should not tell lie. So he told the truth. And he pointed to the way where the cow has gone. And the man has gone there and killed the cow. As the Brahman told the truth, in his next life also, he was born as a Brahman. One day he went to his relative's house and he saw some shouting from his neighbor house. When he went to that house, then a lady came running from there and told him, "Oh sir, I hate my husband, will you marry me?" Then the Brahman said, "How can I marry you? You are already married." Then the woman got angry and took a knife and killed her husband. Then the Brahman said, "Why did you kill him?" Then the lady started shouting, "This Brahman has killed my husband, this Brahman has killed my husband." Then everyone gathered. But they cannot kill a Brahman as it is a sin. So the lady put the knife in the hand of the Brahman and they cut the hand of the Brahman in which the knife was. Actually, the hand which was cut was the hand which he pointed the way the cow was, and the cow was the lady, and the dead husband was none other than the man who was after the cow. Thank you. The moral of the story is, if you do bad things, karma will always follow you.
Good job, Pavante. Next is a special speech from Jaydeep, who requested to speak in Telugu.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Jaydeep. I am from 5th class. I am from Prithvi section. Today I am telling the story about a boy who is away from his father. Good morning to everyone. My name is Jaydeep. I am from Prithvi section. Today I want to tell a story ఒకనప్పుడు ఒక రాజు ఉండేవాడు. అతనికి ఇద్దరు భార్యలు ఉండేవాడు.
Students, don't laugh. It takes so much confidence for someone to come up here and speak. Don't discourage them.
ఒకప్పుడు ఒక రాజు ఉండేవాడు. అతనికి ఇద్దరు భార్యలు ఉండేవారు. ఫస్ట్ భార్యకి ఒక పిల్లాడు ఉండేవాడు. అతని పేరు ధ్రువుడు. రెండో భార్యకు కూడా ఒక పిల్లాడు ఉండేవాడు. అయితే ఎప్పుడు రాజు రెండో భార్య అంతఃపురంలోనే ఉండేవాడు. దానికి మొదటి భార్య వేరే అతని సామ్రాజ్యంలో ఎటో మూలన ఉండేది. ఒకరోజు కింగ్ రాజు ఇంకా సెకండ్ భార్య వాళ్ళ కొడుకు ఆడుకుంటూ చూశాడు. ధ్రువుడు ఎమ్మటే వెళ్ళి అతని నాన్న భుజం మీద కూర్చొని ఆడుకుంటుంటే మొదటి భార్య వచ్చి, ధ్రువ, ఇక్కడి నుంచి వెళ్ళు, నీకు ఈ అర్హత లేదు, నీకు ఈ అర్హత లేదు, వెళ్ళు ఇక్కడి నుంచి, వచ్చే జన్మలో అన్న కోరుకో నా కడుపులో పుట్టాలని అని చెప్పింది. అయితే ధ్రువుడు ఉరుక్కుంటా వాళ్ళ అమ్మ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి అమ్మ దూరం నుంచే కనిపెట్టి ఏమని వచ్చింది. అయితే ధ్రువుడు ఇలా చెప్పిండు, అమ్మ నాకు నాన్న లేరా అని అడిగాడు ధ్రువుడు. ఉన్నాడు నాయన, అందరికీ నాన్న, అతను విష్ణు భగవానుడు, వెళ్ళి ప్రార్థన చేయి కనపడతాడు అని చెప్పాడు. కానీ ధ్రువుడు దానికి ఒప్పుకున్నాడు, అమ్మ దానికి ఒప్పుకోలే. కానీ ధ్రువుడు బతిమిలాడితే అప్పుడు అమ్మ ఒప్పుకొని ఆ వస్త్రాలని ఇప్పేసి పంపించింది సంతోషంగా. అప్పుడు ధ్రువుడు వెళ్తూ ఉంటే నారాయణుడు కనపడి, నారాయణుడు ఇలా అంటాడు, వెళ్ళమాకు, వెళ్తే అక్కడ మొత్తం క్రూరపు జంతువులు ఉంటారు, వెళ్ళమాకు అని అంటాడు. దాంతో ధ్రువుడు ఇలా అంటాడు, ఇది ఎంత దట్టమైన అడవైనా సరే నాకు ఒక చోటు దొరుకుతుంది, నేను అక్కడ పూజ చేసుకుంటా, స్వామి నన్ను ఆశీర్వదించండి అంటాడు ధ్రువుడు. అయితే నారాయణుడు దానికి నారాయణ అది నీకు నామం తెలుసా అని అడిగాడు. నామం తెలీదు అని చెప్పాడు ధ్రువుడు. అప్పుడు ధ్రువుడు, స్వామి మీకు తెలుసుంటే నాకు చెప్పండి స్వామి అని అంటాడు. అప్పుడు దగ్గరకు వచ్చి నారాయణుడు ఈ నామం చెప్పాడు, ఓం వాసుదేవాయ నమః అని చెప్పాడు. అప్పుడు ఒక చోటు చెప్పాడు, ఒక సరస్సు దగ్గర ఒక చోటు ఉంటుంది, అక్కడికి వెళ్ళు, అక్కడ ధ్యానం చేసుకోవడానికి అనుకూలంగా ఉంటుంది అని చెప్పాడు. దాంతో ధ్రువుడు అతని ప్రయాణాన్ని సాగిస్తూ వెళ్ళాడు. వెళ్తే అప్పుడు ఆ చోటికి వెళ్ళినాక ధ్యానంలో కూర్చున్నాడు. అట్లానే 3 ఏళ్ళు గడిచిపోయాయి. 3 ఏళ్ళకు ఒక్కసారి నీళ్లు ఒక్క డ్రాప్ నీళ్లు తాగేవాడు. 3 నెలలకు ఒకసారి ఒక్క డ్రాప్ నీళ్లు తాగేవాడు. 2 నెలలకు ఒకసారి ఒక్కసారి వాయువు మింగేవాడు. అయితే 1 నెలకు ఒకసారి ఆకులు తినేవాడు. అయితే ఆ నామము, ధ్రువుడు చెప్పే నామము మొత్తం స్వర్గాన్ని మొత్తం గడగడాలిచ్చింది. అయితే మొత్తం దేవతలందరూ వెళ్ళి వాసుదేవుణ్ణి వేడుకున్నారు, స్వామి మీరు వెళ్ళి ధ్రువుడికి దర్శనం ఇవ్వండి, లేకపోతే స్వర్గం కూలిపోయేటట్టు ఉంది అని అంటాడు. అప్పుడు వాసుదేవుడు వెళ్ళి అతని వాహనం ఎక్కి వెళ్ళి అతనికి దర్శనం ఇస్తాడు. అప్పుడు ధ్రువుడు అప్పటికీ లేవలేదు, ఎందుకంటే అతను కఠిన తపస్య మీద ఉన్నాడు. అయితే ధ్రువుడు వాసుదేవుడు అంటాడు, స్వామి ధ్రువ లెగు, నీ వాసుదేవుడిని వచ్చాను అని అడుగుతాడు. కానీ ధ్రువుడు ఇలా సమాధానం ఇస్తాడు, ఎన్నోసార్లు నేను అట్లనే మాటలు విన్నా, నా ధ్యానాన్ని భంగ చేసుకున్నా, ఇప్పుడైతే నేను లెగవను. వాసుదేవుడు అంటాడు, ఇప్పుడు నేను నీ బ్రెయిన్ ఆలోచనలో కనపడతాను చూడు అని చెప్తాడు. అప్పుడు ధ్రువుడికి వాసుదేవుడు అతని ఆలోచనలో కనపడ్డాడు. అయితే అప్పుడు ధ్రువుడు లేచి ఫస్ట్ వాసుదేవుడు పాదాలకి నమస్కారం చేశాడు. అప్పుడే వాసుదేవుడు ఇలా వరం ఇస్తాడు, నువ్వు గొప్పోడివి అవుతావు, ఒక పెద్ద రాజు అవుతావు, ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు చచ్చిపోయినా కానీ ఒక నక్షత్రంలా నిలుస్తావు అని చెప్పాడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
We have come to know about the determination of a small boy. Dhruva is a boy, a child like you. His determination gave him a place in the sky as a star. And the determination of Jaideep. Jaideep was very much interested to speak, కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్లో కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ టైమ్ ఐ హోప్ దట్ హీ విల్ కమ్ అండ్ స్పీక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. సో వీ ఎంకరేజ్ హిమ్ బికాస్ వీ డూ నాట్ వాంట్ టు డిస్కరేజ్. అండ్ వెల్ డన్ జైదీప్. హీ సెడ్ హీ హ్యాస్ స్టేజ్ ఫియర్ ఆల్సో, బట్ స్టేజ్ ఫియర్ స్టార్టింగ్లో కొంచెం కనిపించింది జైదీప్లో. ఎప్పుడైతే అతను చెప్పడం మొదలెట్టాడో స్టేజ్ ఫియర్ పోయింది. కాబట్టి మీరందరూ స్టేజ్ ఫియర్ ఉందని వెనక్కి వెళ్ళకండి, ముందుకు వచ్చారంటే. ఇప్పుడు ఇవాళ 2-3 స్టూడెంట్స్ని చూశారు మీరు. దే ఆల్ హ్యావ్ కమ్ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం, బట్ they have come forward. That is the most important thing. Once if you start doing, it will become habitual for you. Okay, adi oka habit ayipotundi meeku. Jaideep, next time we love to hear it in English, and really we need to give him a round of applause, and we will call another participant now. Master Pranav Kumar from Vidhi.
Good evening, respected Ramu sir and my dear friends and teachers. My name is M. Pranav Kumar Reddy. I am from Prithvi section. Today I am going to tell the speech of Save the Water. Water is a natural source for humans and animals. We use water for different activities like drinking, cooking and cleaning. We get water from different sources like rivers, oceans and other water bodies. We purify those water for drinking. Nowadays, so many people are wasting water like turning on the taps while brushing, water for drinking or other uses. Without water, we cannot live without it. So, we should not waste water. To not waste water, we should follow these steps. Example, turning off the taps while brushing. Do not use much water for showers. Do not throw garbage or chemicals into the water bodies. The cleanest form of water is river. The biggest river in India is Ganga, but Ganga is polluted because of us. So, do not waste water, but try to save water. So many countries are wasting the water, and so many people are dying. So many people are wantedly wasting water like playing with the water and wantedly oning the taps and pipes or breaking the pipes. So do not waste water but try to save water. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity to me. Thank you.
A very good job, Pranav Kumar. Next is Sai Charan from Prithvi section.
Good evening, respected Ramu sir, teachers and friends. My name is Sai Charan from Prithvi section. I am going to tell about my favorite book, Jungle Book. Jungle Book is written by Rogerty Pig. Mowgli, one boy, and Bagri. Sher Khan, Tabaki ya tiger, are the characters in Jungle Book? There are minimum 2000 episodes in Jungle Book. 2000 episodes in Jungle Book. Mowgli's friends are Bagri and Balu. Balu likes honey to eat very much. Bagri don't like water. At last, story Mowgli went to city. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me.
Students, settle down. Thank you, Sai Charan. Next is Advait from Virat section. Advait.
Good morning, good evening anyone. Good evening respected Ramu sir and teachers and my dear friends. Today I am telling one story. The story name is Tiger. Once upon a time there was a forest. The forest king is lion. All animals are keep discussions to go to lion and say that one tiger come to forest and eating all the animals, and all animals go to lion and say to lion, Maharaja Raja, one tiger is coming and eating the animals. The lion said, we will catch the tiger. One day, tiger come and eating one animal means hunt, and eating one animal means fox eat it and say to lion. Lion came and catch the tiger, and tiger said, today animals I will not eat anyone, I will eat only the fruits and vegetables. The lion accepts and tiger also joined the animals. One day, tiger killed the lion and he wear the lion skin and he tell to the all animals to our tiger is go from this forest. On one day, he removed the skin and he go and kill the animal and he eat. One deer see and deer go to lion and said, the tiger come and eat the fox. Eated the fox, and lion said no, and he go to the lion and he say, no, don't worry, I will kill the tiger. And one day all animals keep a discussion. Fox said, I think tiger wear the lion skin because lion's voice is changed. That one day fox see that the tiger wears each of the fox, and lion said no, and he go to the lion and he say, No, don't worry. I will kill the tiger. And one day, all animals keep a discussion. Fox said, I think tiger wear the lion skin because lion's voice is changed. That one day, Fox see that the tiger wearing the lion skin, and he go to the animals and he said, all of you listen, tiger only wear the lion skin, and all animals go and attack the tiger, and tiger killed. Thank you.
Advait is requested to speak in Telugu, but I told him we have given a special permission to Jaideep because he already requested. Then he changed and spoke in English then and there itself. That is the reason you can see how he tried and his best. He tried very hard and he tried his best to speak in English. Give a big round of applause to Advait. The next participant is Vallabh from Akash.
Vallabh. Sorry, the next participant is Arush from the Raj section.
Good morning everyone, my name is Arush. Today I am going to tell electrician competition. My topic is my favorite cartoon. My favorite cartoon is Rudra. My favorite cartoon is Rudra. I love Rudra because Rudra is a boy who does magic very well. Rudra lives in a city, Sun City. Rudra's grandfather is the king of Sun City, and Shakal is a bad man and dangerous who killed the grandfather of Rudra. And then Shakal is the king of Kalsi. Rudra has 3 friends. They are Amaira, Varun and Chulbul. And Rudra lives in a palace that's very beautiful. Shakal many times kidnapped Rudra, but Rudra every time will beat Shakal and Shakal will go. But last fight, Shakal when Shakal kidnapped Rudra in a rock of lotus, Rudra threw one feather of pigeon on Shakal. When he read in the library that when who does the magic of lotus rock, when who catches him feather of pigeon, he will die. Then Rudra throwed feather and Shakal died on near his palace only. Thank you to give this golden opportunity.
Thank you, Arush. Next is Abhinav from Cheetah section. Abhinav, Chetak section.
Good afternoon, respected Ramu sir and teachers and dear friends. My name is Abhinav. I am from Chetak section. I am from 5th grade. I am telling about save the water. We should save the water. Why? Because
We can do so many activities with that, like drinking water, bathing, washing, etc. It is not important for human beings. It is important for other animals like camel, zebra, horse, etc. Thank you for golden opportunity. Good job, Abhinav. Next is Kaushal Ram, also from Chetak section.
Good afternoon, Extreme Ramu sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Kaushal Ram. I am studying in 5th class from Chetak section. Today my topic is save water. Water is so important, so useful in our life. We can save water from drink. We can save water. Water is so useful in our life. Water is used in our daily uses like washing, drinking, bathing, cooking, etc. We can save water from rainwater harvesting, irrigation, preventing showers, turn off taps while brushing and washing, etc. Water is blessed from Mother Nature. Store water in a covered container. Don't waste water, save water. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Kaushal Ram. Next is Purushottam from Teja section.
Good evening everyone, respected Ramu sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Purushottam Reddy. I am from Tejas section. My topic is save the water. Saving water is important for protecting our planet, ensuring everyone has enough to drink. There are many simple ways to save water at home and every little bit helps. One easy way to save water by turning off the tap while brushing our teeth and washing our hands. This can save a lot of water from every day. Taking shorter showers is a great way to conserve water. We can also save water by we take a bucket of water and wash our cars and water for our plants instead of a hose. Let's all work together, save water and protect our planet. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Very good job, Purushottam. Next is Kushal from Teja section. Kushal from Teja section.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is P. Kushal. I am from 5th class. Today I am telling a story. The story name is The Lion and the Bear. One day there was a pond nearby the village. Every day animals and birds come to drink the water. One day lion and bear at a time come to drink the water. Lion said, I am the king of the forest. I will only drink water first. Bear said, I come first. I will only drink water first. And they both are fighting. After some time, lion saw the vultures are waiting to eat their flesh. Lion said to bear, my dear friend, see there, vultures are waiting to eat our flesh. Then bear said, you are the king of the forest. You only drink water first. And they both drink water and went on their ways. Thank you for. Then bear said, you are the king of the forest. You only drink water first. And they both drink water and went on their ways. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Kushal. Next is Vishant from Akash section.
Good morning, respected Ramu sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am going to talk about my favorite storybook. My name is Vishant Kumar. I am from Akash section. I read a storybook. A man had some money. He had the money into a pickle box. He went somewhere and he gave the pickle box to his neighbor and told him to don't open the pickle box till I come back. The next day, the man came back and asked for the pickle box. The neighbor gave the pickle box. When he went his home and checked the pickle box, there was no money, there was only pickle. He was so confused and he took the neighbor to the minister and the minister told to give the money and the neighbor gave the money. Thank you for this. The moral of the story is don't take anyone's things. If you take, give it back. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.
Thank you, Vishal. Next is Mokshit.
Good morning, respected Ramu sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am telling about importance is to save water. We will do not save water. We cannot have water to drink and we cannot be hygienic. And 70% of earth is covered with water and 30% by land. The poor people do not have water to drink and they are drinking dirty water. In conclusion, I should be the poor people, I should struggle so lot. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Thank you, Mokshit. Next is Aryan.
Good morning to respected principal sir and teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today I wanted to talk about my favorite story, Salar. Salar is a best friend story and friends is Rajamannar and Salar. Salar's father is team leader for Shauryanga and Varadarajmannar father was leader for Shivanga team. And in before Varadarajmannar Salar birth before and we make the fight. Salar and Varadarajmannar opposite teams and suddenly know the Salar and Varadarajmannar is opposite teams and make war and make in big war in second episode. And I know the one song in Salar cinema that is meaningful and logicful for friendship. I sang for 2 minutes. సూర్యుడే గొడుగు పట్టి వచ్చాడే భుజము తట్టి చిమ్మ చీకటిలోనునే ఉండటోడే రెప్పదగలక కాపు కాసడి కన్నువాడే ఆకాశం మిడిసిపెట్టి ముద్దెట్టే పొలము మట్టి ఎండ బగబగ తీర్చు చినుకుల దూకుతాడు ముప్పు కలగక ముందు నిలబడి ఆపుతాడు. ఒకడు గర్జన ఒకరు ఉప్పన వెలిసి ప్రళయాలే సైగమొకడు సైన్యమొకడు కలిసి కడితే కథనమే ఒకరినొకరు నమ్మి నడిచిన స్నేహమేదిలే నూరేళ్ళు నిలవాలే. కంచి ఒకడైతే అది మించి వాడొకడే ఒకడు చిచ్చుర ఒకడు తెమ్మర కలిసి దానానే
వేగమొకడు త్యాగమొకడు గతం మరవని గమనమే ఒకరినొకరు నమ్మి నడిచి స్నేహమే ఇదిలే నూరేళ్ళు నిలవాలే సూర్యుడే గొడుగు పట్టి వచ్చాడే భుజం తట్టి చిమ్మ చీకటిలోను ఉండటోడు రెప్పదగలక కాపు కాసడి కన్నువాడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Aryan requested that he wanted to say about the film because today's topic is anything related to your favorite story, novel or song. And Aryan, I really do not know that you have the great ability and talent of singing. Huh? But I understood even in class you play with papers. Here also you have come with paper and you are playing with that, keeping your hand back. Huh? Okay. The next other person requested already because did not register the name earlier. And what is the name? Vakul Satyakumar. From which?
Good afternoon to respected Ramu sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is K. Vakul Satyakumar. I am from Sindhurakshak section. Today I am going to tell a story about peace and harmony. One day there was a forest. The animals in the forest were all friendly. The lion, the tiger, deer, etc. All the animals used to conduct musical evenings. They used to call stars and moon as their special guests. Thus, they all spent so much time very happily. But after some days, a jackal entered into the forest. The jackal is very cunning. He wanted to destroy the peace and harmony in the forest. First, the jackal went near the small square and he told that the lion is waiting for a chance to kill you. And after he went near the mynas and told, why do you praise cuckoos for their songs? After the jackal told that you build boundaries around your properties, otherwise other animals will come and destroy your properties. After he poisoned the mind of all animals. So like that, all saw the animals, they built the boundaries. So the moon felt very sad and in his heart, he said to himself, oh my dear animals, why do you listen the words of this jackal? He wanted to poison your minds. So to tell the animals directly, the moon came in front of the animals as a sadhu. First the sadhu went near the cuckoos and he told, the jackal is very bad. He wanted to poison your minds and he wanted to kill all of your animals. So after that, the cuckoo didn't believe the sadhu. So the sadhu took the cuckoo near the jackal. He told, come, I will show you what is the jackal doing. After he showed to the cuckoo that the jackal is killing a deer and he was eating. After the cuckoo, oh no, I believed this jackal and I regretted my friend. I didn't prize the mynas and the parrots. In opposite of that, I scolded them. They were feeling for that. After some days, one day at night the jackal went near the hens and he told, I will take one of you today. When he was taking one of the hens, the sadhu came there and the sadhu told, don't take these hens who have lost their mother. In opposite to take me as your supper. The jackal was feeling inside of it, what an luck for me today. I wanted a chance to kill the sadhu and the chance was in front of me. I will not waste this chance. The jackal
killed the sadhu and took the sadhu as his supper. After that he ate the sadhu. A squirrel. After some time, the jackal shouted. After that, a squirrel came near where the sound is coming. He saw that the stomach of the jackal is floating. After the squirrel cried, "Oh, the sadhu is gone." After some time, the stomach of the jackal was floated and it was blasted at a time. And there was a big noise in the forest. All the animals gathered together near the jackal, and all the animals discussed that this was the jackal ate the sadhu, so that's why the stomach of the jackal was floating. After some time, a voice heard from the sky that all my animals, you don't fear, I am with you. Any bad will not happen for you. So the moral of the story is maintain peace and harmony. Nobody can destroy it. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.
Thank you, Vakul. Actually, today's elocution went on very well. You know why? Many of the students have their own particular, very interested topic. Favorite stories, cartoons, novels. And today we have seen, instead of picking, very few students have picked the topic importance of water. Many of them have come up with the topic stories. And I know you have practiced hard and you are very good at telling stories. All this storytelling happened in the classrooms only, no? Now I understood how many of you are so good in telling stories. Nana classroom lo stories చెప్పుకోకండి, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోకండి, లెసన్స్ వినండి. అర్థమైందా?
Students, settle down. Hi, Mummy.